description.
Well, hey again, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from South Korea by way of Ferengi. Thank you very much. This is Shin Ramyun stir fry with cheese. Look at that. So that's what I'm going to do now, for better or worse. I don't know. So let's give it a go. It only takes 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, of boiling and seething and aching and I don't know. I'm gonna make it all pretty. Now I'm gonna take the pretty pictures and then I'll come back and give it a try. I'm sure a lot of people were like, going to be, why aren't you doing a mukbang of this? It's just, I don't feel like eating a whole thing of noodles. I got 2 more to do today. So, we'll see. If I'll try it, and then if it's just like, wow, this is mukbangable, I'll just like put it over to the side and heat it up and then do a mukbang. It's kind of fun. I haven't done a mukbang in a little while. But today is Friday, the 21st day of 2025, and I woke up rather distressed this morning. So our room sometimes gets a little stuffy, so I thought, I'll crack the window. Big frickin' mistake. I cracked the window, and then after cracking the window, fell asleep, had a nice restful sleep, woke up in the morning, and all the pollen and all the crap flew on in. So I woke up, I had a sore throat, my eyes were just like caked shut, and my nose was a diseased mess of insanity. It's like there's no winning. You can't win when allergies and a breeze blows. So that blew. But you know, shooby dooby. But yeah, this should be interesting. I think it's gonna be like kind of a cheesy bulldog kind of situation. I don't know. We'll find out. But it's not Samyang, it's Nongshim. Which means farmer's heart, which I think is a cool name for it. Okay, so you drain off the noodle, and you add in 4 tablespoons hot water. And you add in, see, I'm not going to try it until I've got all the pieces in play. And I'm going to be doing this like a little fancy schmancy. So, there's the, oh, that's not at all what I expected. Oh. This is just straight, okay, well, I guess it's not going to work out that way, is it? See, he's got this sauce sachet, and it's like, is it yellow? I can't. But I figured this would look like a yellow sauce, not have a powdered cheese. I did initially expect a powdered cheese. Yeah, I should have figured that out. Because look. Yeah, oh well. So I guess it won't be as fancy schmancy as I thought, but they should have warned me. Yeah, I thought the stinking thinking. Now it's just going to be a sloppy mess. Maybe. I mean, we'll see. I hope it's good. I already saw some people's thoughts on this one, and I think the only things I saw about people talking about this one is they just didn't like it. Well, this is all off balance here. Yeah. There's our noodle doing its noodle. Let's give it a try. I don't know how hot and spicy it's gonna be. I don't know how like realistically cheesy it's gonna be. Cheese ends up being usually just a sweet affectation, and I don't like that. Here we go. You know, I think I like that. Bit of a burn. Not violent. Why am I running the water? Because I want to get through all this junk as quickly as possible. It's not bad. Truly not bad. My guess is that if people didn't like it, it's because they wanted it to be way spicier. There's a very good possibility of that. It seems like there's a certain element in the noodle world of I don't care how it tastes, I just want it to burn my face off. And that's cool if that's your thing, but I definitely want nice flavor. That's what I used to make hot sauce on the vaguely reg, and I ended up with a recipe that used a small amount of, like 1 habanero, but it used a lot of Fresno pepper and tomatillo and garlic, and it was super savory, and it had some heat. I really liked it, and other people liked it as well. So rotate, rotate, rotate. Wow, that went down really quick. I can't believe I'm already heating up water for the next one. Anyways, the next one came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. This is Yuni Yi Mian. And now it's the third one of the set. I don't know if there's more of them that they make, but now that I know how to say it correctly, easily, this is the last one. So this is a sesame paste dry noodle. I'm guessing it's gonna have sesame paste thing going on, which kind of almost is smooth like peanut butter, but it should be good. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Please join me. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoy me to your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.